A pair of suffering brothers, abandoned on a cold morning. The little kitten and the puppy are both very adorable. They rely on each other, in hopes of finding a bit of warmth in the harsh cold. Just a moment ago, the young lady discovered a touching scene at the door. A cat and a dog tightly embraced each other. Looking at the helpless two little creatures, the young lady felt very heartbroken. So she quickly approached them and brought out delicious food. However, the obedient little dog was very modest and did not rush to grab the food. Instead, it only started eating when the little kitten had almost finished. It ate greedily in big mouthfuls. One must say, the little dog is really well behaved. After eating and drinking their fill, the cat and the dog start circling around the young lady. They desperately need a warm home. The young lady does not disappoint them either. With one in each hand, she carries them back. The puppy is much more active than the little kitten. As soon as they enter the house, it starts exploring everywhere. Not long after, the young lady prepares a sumptuous meal for them again. The two little creatures immediately enjoy it. It seems like they were really starving. The dog's food is already finished, while the little kitten is still focused on eating. Seeing them so affectionate, the young lady placed them in the same cage, under the care of the young lady. The cat and dog gradually became healthy and happy, and filled with trust towards humans. The young lady's kindness prevented the cat and dog from feeling lonely. They found a home that truly belonged to them. They will forever be grateful for the young lady's kindness and generosity. Their lives became better because of her.